The World Cup is already here, and we'll be watching Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, Mbappe, Haaland, and 48 other teams battle it out for football's biggest prize. But before a single ball is kicked, there's one thing you need to understand, and that's the groups. So, we already covered what the group stage is in the previous video. In this video, we'll be breaking down all the 12 groups, and I will also be giving my prediction for who I think will go through the group stage to the knockout stages. Some of these teams have been handed a dream draw, and one group is so brutal that one big team is guaranteed to go out before the World Cup even begins. So let's start. Group A is Mexico, South Africa, South Korea, and Czech Republic. Mexico are one of the hosts for the tournament, so they obviously have a home advantage. And if you believe in the Simpsons prediction, then they might even be going to the finals. South Korea are one of the most dangerous dark horses here. South Africa and Czech Republic will definitely fight to earn a spot, but realistically speaking, I think South Korea and Mexico will go through. Both these teams are going to be very exciting to watch because every single Mexico match played at home, the atmosphere is going to be something you wouldn't want to miss. Group B is Canada, Switzerland, Qatar, and Bosnia. Canada is also one of the hosts for the tournament, and this Canada team is one of their best World Cup squads they've ever had. Switzerland are very disciplined, they always have been, and they are a difficult team to beat. Bosnia has qualified after 12 years for a World Cup, so they are hungry. Qatar is the only team here that look like out of depth to me. My prediction for this group is that Canada and Switzerland will go through, although I feel that Bosnia will be very difficult to beat. Group C is one of the exciting groups. There's Brazil, Morocco, Haiti, and Scotland. Some say that Scotland are one of the dark horses. Brazil is definitely one of the favorites to win the World Cup, and also given the fact that this is Neymar Jr.'s last World Cup. And Morocco, as we have seen in the last few years, Morocco have been unstoppable. In this group, I think Haiti are the ultimate underdog. My prediction for this group are pretty simple. Brazil and Morocco go through because they're going to be impossible to beat, and Brazil versus Morocco is going to be an exciting match to watch. Group D is USA, Paraguay, Australia, and Turkey. USA are the hosts, and this is their statement World Cup. They have a young squad, and there's massive pressure from the entire nation that they are finally taking football seriously, although they still call it soccer. Turkey are one of the tricky teams here, and Australia always punch above their weight. And this is Paraguay's first World Cup, which is an exciting achievement in itself. So my prediction for this group are Turkey obviously go through, and only because USA have a home advantage, that is why they may advance. Group E is Germany, Curacao, Ecuador, and Ivory Coast. Germany are a team on a mission. After they failed to reach the knockout stages both in 2018 and 2022, they cannot afford any more embarrassment. Ivory Coast just beat France in the friendlies, and the French national team is one of the best national teams in the world. So that tells you that this is going to be a difficult team to beat. Ecuador are also a very solid South American side, and Curacao is making their World Cup debut. My prediction for this group are Germany and Ivory Coast to go through. Group F are Netherlands, Japan, Sweden, and Tunisia. Netherlands have genuine title ambition this year, and honestly, it is achievable. Japan are one of the most underrated teams in world football. They knocked out Germany and Spain in 2022. Sweden qualified through the playoffs after one of the most dramatic runs in European football. I feel Japan and Netherlands will go through. Group G is Belgium, Egypt, Iran, and New Zealand. Belgium's golden generation is in its final chapter now. This might be their last chance to winning a World Cup. Egypt has one of the best players in the world, Mohamed Salah, and an entire army behind him. Iran are disciplined and organized, and New Zealand are the lowest ranked team in the tournament. For this group, Belgium and Egypt will go through because they're clearly the stronger sides. Group H is Spain, Saudi Arabia, Uruguay, and Cape Verde. Spain are ranked number 2 in the world, and they are one of the genuine favorites to win the World Cup. Uruguay have history, experience, and Fede Valverde. Cape Verde are making their World Cup debut, and Saudi Arabia are definitely a better team than they were in the last World Cup. My prediction, Spain and Uruguay go through. And I think both these teams, we are going to see them in the quarterfinals and maybe even the semis. Now, the group of death, the group I, and the group that I am most excited to watch. It's Norway, France, Senegal, and Iraq. Of course, Iraq is the only weak team amongst these three giants. France is ranked number 1 in the world. France is unstoppable. They won the 2018 World Cup. They were the finalist in the 2022 World Cup and maybe even the finalists for the 2026 World Cup for all we know. Senegal are the AFCON champions this year and they are impossible to beat. Norway is making its World Cup debut, but believe me when I say that they have come prepared. All of these three teams can very realistically go into the knockout rounds, but only two teams can go in the knockout rounds. So if I have to choose only two teams, then it's going to be Senegal and France, although Norway is going to be very, very difficult to beat. But every match in this group is going to be very, very exciting to watch. So I'm very excited for this group. Group J is Argentina, Algeria, Austria, and Jordan. Argentina are obviously the defending champions, so they are definitely going through. Algeria are the strongest African side in this group. Jordan is making history by just qualifying for the World Cup, and Austria is also a strong side. Apart from Argentina, I think Algeria will be the team who will go through to the knockout stages. And let's not forget, this is going to be Lionel Messi's last World Cup as well. So the atmosphere in all of the Argentinian matches is going to be beautiful. Group K is Portugal, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uzbekistan, and Colombia. This group is obviously very, very personal to me because Cristiano Ronaldo is going to be playing his last World Cup with Portugal, and I am not emotionally prepared for it no matter how many times I say it. Portugal just won the Nations League, so they have serious potential to get through till the very end. Democratic Republic of Congo has qualified for the first time under their new name. Uzbekistan are making their World Cup debut, and Colombia, as we know, have some serious quality. My prediction for this group are Portugal and Colombia go through. Portugal versus Colombia is going to be one of the most exciting matches to watch. Group L is England, Croatia, Panama, and Ghana. England again, the tournament of hope and heartbreaks. They have a really good squad this time, which can actually go till the very end. If you watched Ghana's friendly matches, you know that Ghana is on a mission. And for Croatia, this is Luka Modric's last World Cup as well. And Croatia has been consistently strong in the last two World Cups. In the 2018 World Cups, they were the finalists. In the 2022 World Cup, they knocked out Brazil. So yeah, my prediction for this group are England and Croatia. That's all the 12 groups. I am obviously going to be supporting Portugal and Brazil, but I'm really excited for the group of death, the group I. This is going to be either the best thing that ever happens to me or the biggest heartbreak of my life. Subscribe if you want to follow along. I'll be breaking down every stage of this tournament as it happens. See you there. Bye bye. And happy World Cup season.